new potential impact on Terra Classic price in May, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the new potential impact on Terra Classic price in May. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has been a strong supporter of the Terra Classic ecosystem since the crash in May 2022. This backing comes in the form of a monthly burn mechanism, where Binance allocates a portion of Lunc trading fees to burn tokens, permanently removing them from circulation and reducing overall supply. Since its inception in 2022, Binance's Lunc burn program has played a significant role in attempting to revive the token's value. According to Lunc's metrics, as of April 2024, the exchange has incinerated over 57 billion Lunc tokens, representing 51.9% of the total Lunc burned by the entire community. The most recent burn, the 20th iteration of the program, saw the removal of 4.17 billion Lunc tokens, equivalent to $722,630 based on March's trading volume surge. However, the broader crypto market correction in April 2024 has significantly impacted Lunc's trading activity. Daily trading volumes have plummeted compared to March's highs, exceeding $100 million. This decline coincides with a price drop from over 0.30's $2 to its current price of 0.30's $102, with the market capitalization shrinking from over $1 billion to around $600 million. Despite the community's efforts and the recent rejection of a controversial proposal, April's average daily trading volume is around $30 million, falling below the number recorded in February. This significant drop in activity translates to a potential decrease in the amount of Lunc burned in the upcoming batch. Considering the lower trading volume in April, Binance might end up burning between 1 billion and 1.5 billion LUNC tokens during the 21st iteration of its program, scheduled for May 1st, 2024. This estimation reflects the reduced trading activity compared to the previous month. Closely monitoring trading volume and derivatives activity is crucial for gauging Lunc's future price movements. While some experts predict a potential rebound, the conditions for such a recovery remain unclear. Increased trading volume and a rise in user activity would be positive signs for Lunc's price trajectory. The burn program will also play a crucial role. Although Binance may not burn as many tokens as it often does, its continued commitment is invaluable, and future burns can improve Lunc's long-term prospects. Let's also talk about that the Terra Classic alters burn tax as Lunc price loses steam. The battle-tested Terra LUNA Classic community has cast its votes on Proposal 12098, tackling discrepancies in rewards allocation. The text proposal, labeled Changing the Reward Share Distribution of the Burn Tax, explains that the current 0.5% burn tax is distributed in two parts: 80% burn and 20% distribution. The 20% distribution is divided into three separate allocations. 80% of the tokens will burn, 10% to the community pool, and the remaining 10% allocated to immediate block rewards. The author of Proposal 12098 seeks to change this 0.5% Lunc burn tax distribution to mirror the 80% burn distribution while dividing the other 20% evenly between the community pool and Oracle pool. When activated, this would impact the performance of the Terra LUNA Classic chain in several ways. Firstly, block rewards would only consist of gas fees, as originally intended before the 0.5% burn tax distribution. Additionally, there would be no immediate block rewards, but a percentage of the tax would be allocated to the Oracle pool. It's worth noting that this particular proposal doesn't change the 0.5% burn tax rate, nor does it change the cumulative Lunc burn sum. However, the intention to send a portion of the burn tax to the Oracle pool for long-term staking appeals to many Terra LUNA Classic validators, as this could help to reduce Lunc inflation. For example, Terra Classic chain validator Lunanauts was one out of the 37 validators who approved the Lunc burn tax proposition. Supporting the change, Lunanauts explained that Lunc Proposal 12098 promotes sustainability and balance in the ecosystem, mitigating concerns about immediate rewards reduction. The proposition is considered to be a huge stride towards making Terra LUNA Classic's staking environment fair for every participating party. Approved by 70% of voters, the enthusiasm for Terra LUNA Classic's tax burn proposal is yet to reflect on Lunc's price. Lunc remains under strong sell pressure, as pending sales outweigh the pending bids by $3 million to $1 million. The uneven liquidity books in spot markets suggest that overall trading activity had dropped by 16%, hinting at slimming market depth. After Terra LUNA's crisis in May 2022, the community has taken measures upon themselves to revitalize the Terra Classic blockchain by voting on improvements in a democratic way through governance proposals. Now let's talk about that the Terra Classic proposal, Restore IBC to Kujira, officially passes. Terra LUNA Classic community has unanimously approved a key proposal to update the inter-blockchain communication client between Terra Classic and Kujira, allowing the connection between the two chains to work again. This improves Terra Classic revival effort by increasing liquidity and freeing frozen funds. Proposal 12099, Restore IBC to Kujira, has surpassed pass threshold and received overwhelming support from the Terra LUNA Classic community. The Rakoff token team proposed to re-enable IBC client 07 Tendermint 178 connection between Terra Classic and Kujira. The proposal has received 99.9% of the votes in favor from the community, indicating the unanimous support from the community in restoring the lost connection between chains through inter-blockchain communication. Validators also showed unwavering support, with all 57 participants, including All Nodes, Interstellar Lounge, Happy Caddy Crypto, Luna Station 88 voted yes. As reported by CoinGape, the IBC client 07 Tendermint 178 will be upgraded to IBC client 07 Tendermint 246 to restore the connection between the blockchains and free up frozen funds. Meanwhile, the community has also approved multiple proposal Genuine Labs proposal to decrease max block size from 5 MB to 2 MB as an initial security measure to counter peer-to-peer spam, increasing minimum commission for validators to 2.5%, and changing the reward share distribution of the burn tax. Lunc price dropped 5% in the last 24 hours, with the price currently trading at 0.30's $102. The 24-hour high and low are 0.30's $101 and 0.30's $109, respectively. Moreover, trading volume increased by 80% in the last 24 hours, indicating a rise in interest among traders. The community remains confident on Lunc price hitting $1. Terra Classic futures open interest has climbed by over 10% across exchanges in the last 24 hours, CoinGlass, whereas 1,000 Lunc futures OI has jumped 16% on Binance and Bybit in the past 24 hours as Terraform Labs announced to restrict access to some Terra products and features from users in the US. With this, will Terra Classic reach $1? To reach $1, Lunc will need to rise 579x. At $1, the target market cap will be approximately $5.81 trillion. If Lunc were to rise at the pace of 25%, it will take approximately 42 years to reach $1. Given that Luna Classic is a weak case for investment, let us analyze these in detail. Bitcoin rose 1,400 times higher in 10 years. Ethereum rose 166 times higher in 6 years. Both BTC and ETH rose in very different conditions, while Luna Classic is in an environment where there are more than 50 tokens with a market cap of $1 billion. Luna Classic is not an innovator of the Apple mold, nor are their services consumed by billions of people worldwide. We can say with a high degree of confidence that Luna Classic will not reach a market cap of $5.80 trillion. Can we forecast accurately for 42 years that a token will grow at 25% every year? No one can forecast the price of a token 42 years from now. Further, no token or stock can grow at the rate of 25% every year for 40 years. Considering growth, market cap, and time factors, we can say confidently that Luna Classic will not reach $1. Now, let us consider a scenario where 90% of the coins are burnt. If 90% of the tokens were burnt to reach $1, Luna Classic must rise 5,556 times. At $1, the market cap of Luna Classic would be $580 billion. If Lunc's price were to grow at 25% every year, it would take Luna Classic 39 years to reach $1. So even in a 90% burn scenario, Luna Classic will find it impossible to reach $1. The only hope for a healthy return on Luna Classic investment is unique and differentiated use cases. For Lunc to reach 1 cent, it would need to increase by a factor of 98. At 1 cent, Luna Classic's market cap will be $58.30 billion. If Lunc were to grow at a rate of 25% each year, it would take about 20 years to reach 1 cent. So how do you think? Will Terra Classic reach 1 cent this summer? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunky token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.